What's up guys, WRX STI here, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first episode of a new series that we're starting, which is going to be from to show car. This is my 2004 Subaru WRX. It's had a full STI swap, except for the gearbox. So yeah, so we're going to be taking everything apart today, dealing with the rust underneath. This isn't going to be like one of those cars that you see on other YouTuber channels that are clean underneath and every bolt comes off freely. This is going to be something a bit more complicated. There's going to be quite a lot of rust involved, a lot of stuff that's going to need fixing. So yeah, this is my first video that I'm making on this channel that's car related. So if you guys have any suggestions or tips or something that you'd want to see in further episodes, then or things that you'd want me to change, please let me know in the comments below. It'd mean a lot. Never undo your AC pipes if your AC system is loaded, because that could lead to an explosion. Don't ask how I know, just undo it. got the downpipe out, unbolted pretty much everything that's needed to get unbolted. Now it's pretty much ready to get the engine out. So I'm gonna grab the crane and start wiggling it out slowly. So yeah, engine should be out soon. Okay guys, that's it for part 1. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see in further episodes, or how I could change up the videos in any way or form, that'd be amazing if you could let me know. So next episode we will be taking apart the subframe, front subframe, and moving on to cleaning up the engine bay a bit more, so that we can start prepping it for painting. So yeah guys, I'll see you in later episodes. Peace out.